How's it going, guys? It's that time of the year again, and I wanted to take the time to put together a video of the top 9 car parts that I think would make great stocking stuffers for your 2015 plus Subaru WRX. So if you need some ideas for your loved ones or for your friends, then check out this video. The best part is I actually use these parts on my car and they are less than $100. So enjoy the video, let me know if you have any questions, and lastly, happy holidays from my family to yours.